mukbang natin today.
Ang arte.
Bakit?
Ang arte.
Arte.
Umaara with the natural light. Sinasabi ko na rin sa interviews ko before na parang this lipstick can make you feel so many things. Parang it can boost your mood, your confidence to a certain level.
Yeah.
Well, ganun siya for me. I don't know if it works for everyone, but it does for me. It's not that you wear makeup to impress people or because you see validation from everyone. Para sa sarili talaga siya.
Yeah, I think to know main session while eating, while wearing our lips. Wow, kumain ka na. Kumusta? Sino gumawa na? Ikaw ba gumawa?
Nope. Nanay po, shout out kay Mary Ann. Thank you for my food for the naturals and podcast.
Shout out.
Seriously, as weird and as crazy as it sounds, I see myself as an inspiration to myself. Very sensitive. Kasi hindi kasi parang, di ba, sometimes when we're about to do something we're not used to or something that's totally out of our comfort zone, na parang we tend to overthink. Well, ako kasi, I'm the first one to tell to myself na parang, I don't think you can do this. I don't think you can pull that off. I don't think you can make it work. So parang, nadi-discourage ko na agad yung sarili ko. So parang every time I get stuck in that situation or in that state, I just go over the idea na I've done this multiple times in different ways. So there's no reason and there's no way for me not to do it again this time. So parang, yun, na-inspire ako sa sarili ko. Kasi ako yun eh.
Describe yourself in 3 words. What would it be?
3 words? Okay. Weird. But the fun type of alam mo yan, girl. Alam mo yan.
You are talaga.
Diba? Pero ang nakakita lang nun yung people, yung mga taong as in close sa akin, the people I'm comfortable being with, my friends, my family. So, hindi pa nila nakikita talaga yung real crazy side of me. Ano pa? Pessimistic optimist. Pwede bang one word yun since hyphenated na? Pessimistic optimist, yes. Kasi I think I'm the most negative person I know. Pero deep down naman, I still try to keep the positive mindset. Honest.
Yeah, you are. You are very like...
Diba? I'm not one to sugarcoat things. Tend to be frank and straightforward, especially to my friends. I'm that annoying, honest friend.
Hindi naman annoying. Sa barkada naman lagi namang may ganun eh.
So ako nga yun. I'm that friend. Diba?
Chat.
Woo!
Ano pa rin ang sayo kahit nang pinuot?
So I took up culinary arts in college. Parang I thought na it would be better to take another hospitality-related course kasi feeling ko magiging advantage nun in applying for airlines. So, hindi ko pa rin alam kung advantage nga ba talaga siya, pero that was the reason why I took up culinary arts.
Wow! Hindi ko yun alam.
So, chicken or beef? Char.
Okay, parang hindi ko na-imagine doon. Parang imagine ko. Ang cute mo siguro dun sa outfit. Oh, so cute.
Top smash. Sobrang amazing God. Hindi ko alam. I don't know why I ended up here. But I'm here, so I'm enjoying everything and making the most out of it.
Meron ako for you. Na-observe ko. Sobrang organized mo. As in, lala. Yeah, as in, nililabel na lahat ng kagamitan niya in life. Kagamitan ng ibang taong kasama niya sa bahay. Ang hilig niya bumili ng mga organizers, container, tapos may mga label maker. As in, intense.
Girl, ito. Example. Trash. Alam naman nating trash bin to, di ba? Pero nilagyan ko pa rin siya ng label.
Diba? Iba si Ate Girl sa nag-organize niya.
One of the things that I hate the most is when people simply assume that you are maldita, masungit, diva, or unapproachable just because you did not say hi to them or to everyone else in the room for that matter, or if you weren't smiling when you arrived, or when you're not the usual main that they see on TV. Parang that's just the wrong thing to assume about someone, diba? That's the wrong way to define someone.
Sabi ko, baliw po talaga siya deep inside.
Diba? Deep inside. Pero hindi pa nila lang nakikita kasi ibang-iba talaga yung nakikita nila na main. But having said that, it's not because I'm not that person. It's just parang it's part of work. So I have to let go of my inhibitions every time I step on stage. Pero iba yung iba. Best talaga is to not be afraid of being myself and to be confident in who I am. Whether it be posting silly photos of myself on social media or swiping on a red lipstick kahit nasa bahay lang ako. If it makes you feel good, if you want to do it, just do it, diba? Hindi ko alam if you're a fan of Mean Girls, but I've always lived by Kevin Napur's famous line. Familiar ka ba kay Kevin Napur?
Yeah, naman ako, pero
Basta sa Mean Girls doon. Sa mga Mean Girls fan na nandito, I've always lived by Kevin Napur's famous line, which is, don't let your haters stop you from doing your thing.
Oh my God! I know that! I didn't know si Kevin Napur yun.
Si Kevin Napur yun. So, just because you're not in show business doesn't mean wala kang hater. So, ayun, just don't let them stop you from doing what you want and from doing what makes you happy.
Sobrang galing mo talaga mag-block ng mega in life. Look where you are na. I mean, you have new Maker collaboration. You're the first lip glass, first Filipina Mac Maker. Like,
reaction.
and this is like outside of everything else you've accomplished. So, very, very
Kaya nga.
And you know, kahit naman gano'n ka-successful, lagi naman talagang may mga tao parang
Totoo.
yung haters. So, kebs na lang to the world.
And kahit wala ka sa showbiz, there will always be naysayers around you. So, just don't mind them. Kaya ito na nga, girl, babalik ako dun sa sagot ko kanina. I see myself as an